How are you, Capricorn? So I have a very, very exciting announcement. For $8.88 a month, I will be adding a new tier to my Patreon. This is a private Capricorn only tier. For $8.88 for a membership fee every month, you will get weekly private Capricorn readings. That means you're getting all the readings you get now. You can be on the Patreon All Signs Collective community to get everyone's energy, or you could just be on the tier for Capricorn only. And only if you are on that tier will you see those videos. So this means everyone else won't see the videos, only the Capricorns, okay? That link will be released tonight with up to two. I'm going to try and do 2 brand new readings, okay, for Capricorn. So you have 2 brand new readings on that link the moment you become a member. So there will be no waiting for brand new readings. They will be there and they will be made today, literally the same day that I'm releasing this. So I love you. Enjoy.